Hello, my name is Corine Rijngoud and I'm a design team member from Studio Light. And today I'm going to show you the new Nature Lover collection from Studio Light. We have 5 sets of cutting dies. We have the floral branches. We have the floral wreath. So you can build up your own wreath with all these lovely pieces. We have the peony tag. You can make a tag, but you can also use it on a card if you like. Then we have the butterflies. Well, I love the butterflies. Who don't love them? And we have a fun dolly card shape. This one and the butterflies I'm going to use. Then we have 4 sets of stamps with sentiments on it and lovely images. These are the background stamps, the flower bouquets, and we have the butterfly swirls. Then there are 2 paper pads with design papers, and there is also a paper pad with cutting dies. No, I mean paper elements, but yes, that's not arrived yet. So I can show it and I can't use it. Well, I'll show you the lovely papers. Gorgeous colors. And we have also the big one. Well, lucky me that in the big one there are also small paper elements, so I have cut them out, and you have these pieces, rectangles of paper. So, well, it's a little bit difficult to show everything, but you can see a lot when I am doing this. Well, and then you could see I have also used some papers. I love these pieces for making my card. So let's get started. I have already die cutted out some pieces, and let's see what I need to show to you when I'm going. Yes, I need this one, and I also need a butterfly. I have cut out from white paper the lovely doyle, and as you can see, when you get rid of this, well, as you see, I have used the big one and this one, and you die cut them together out of your paper, and then you get this. But there's a folding line, and the inside, what have I done with the inside? Normally you have all these, well, the pieces are falling out, but this is not flat. So what I'm going to do is I use my folding tool and softly put it down on your glass mat, which is also from Studio Light, and then your paper is nice. You don't need another one to get, and so you can well, then is the inside is clean and nicely, and you can decorate that if you like. It doesn't well, what I have to do first, I have to fold it. So I'm using my ruler. That's for me the easiest way to do it. And then you can lift this one and gently rub your paper upstairs, and now your folding line is nice, so you can fold it backwards. Yes. And now we have a nice paper frame. So let's get started to make a card of this piece. I have made this one because there is the inside. I prefer to do it a little bit bigger, so I have used a paper trimmer. Let's put these pieces together where it belongs. I need this one, do I? That's only for showing because I already die cutted it out. So what have I? This is from the rectangle pieces and this one is from the paper pad, from the small one. So look, they are lovely to use. So you can make it from design paper, but you can also use the rectangles. Well, I love this soft color, so I'm going to use this one over here. I'm going to use my tacky glue. And let's glue it on the front. So that's nice decorated. Now, I love these soft colors. And I love the greens. I think I'm also a nature lover. So this belongs perfectly to me. Well, this one is the colors. You can use all the colors together because I have made this nicely. Well, you see, you can also cut it off or glue this one so on your paper, and you have A5 card. But hey, why you don't use the inside? So you have a lovely card that can open and is nice on both sides. So let's glue this one at the inside. And the butterfly also at the inside. And you can decorate it over here if you like. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make the front part lovely. So you can write your own sentiment over there. You can, what I can do is put a lovely sentiment over there. That's what I'm going to do, I think. First, I'm going to get rid of this one. I need a butterfly. And there are two parts of the butterfly, and I'm going to use my little die cut machine from Studio Lights. And where are my, well, I'm always, there they are. I think they want to do something for their own. Well, at the back, I loved to make colors come back what I used. So I'm going to make the, how do we call this? A bold one. The whole butterfly. Let's do that. Let's call it that. And then the doily butterfly or open butterfly is coming from white. And I have a leftover piece, as you see. Well, I need my scissors. Where are my scissors? There they are. And I have I need a small piece. Of white paper to cut out this lovely butterfly. I prefer when they are open to do it again and again, and then I think he is cut out nicely. So let's see, maybe it's the best way to do it another one time. So you have to, like that. So you cut it out like this side and you cut it out that side. So now I think everything is falling out what I don't need. Well, almost. But it's not so difficult to get rid of these little pieces. Come on, boy. Well, that's my nicely butterfly. And now we are going to glue them together. In the middle. Straight on each other. So let's, yes, that's the way. That's okay for me. Now what I prefer to do is put where is my piece of white paper, my leftover? Well, I have leftovers over here. Because I'm going to use hot glue and I don't want it through my paper. Because then you're damaging your background. And that's what you don't like. Well, now I have to go make the wings of the butterfly a little bit to the back. So, and I'm going to do it like this. It looks like it's really landing on my paper. Well, I thought it will be nice to put it on the same, well, how do I say that? Curls? No, I really don't know. Look at it. Have you seen it? And that's why I'm going to use a little piece on the back of my paper. Well, I hold it a little bit higher, so my glue is going to, yes, it's cold now. Then I'm going to die cut out some leaves, because the butterfly is flying on leaves. And I have a leftover piece of this one. And we have these floral branches. And this is a lovely leaf. So we are going to use that one. Get rid of all these pieces. I need 2 of them. So not totally. So I can use, I have enough from this piece of paper. Did you see how easy our machine is? When you put it like this, whoa, he is doing it himself. Can I? Yes, that's done, and I need another one. Okay, now I have 2 leaves. And let's get him out of his die cuts. So I only need small parts because it's not nice. So, well, you can also use normally glue. So I'm going to use the tacky glue because that's not so much that you can see at the back side of your card. And maybe I can put it on the white stock from the front. Well, let's get rid of a little piece. My tacky glue is making noise. Did you hear it? Well, not totally like that. I like it more like that. Well, let's... Yes. Now it's... I think it's glued on the back. My back paper. Well, you see, nothing damaged, so this is what I like. This is very thin, so you have to be not too rough. Well, what do I need more? I need, I have made a bow from the tool I have. So it's a very lovely card. And let's glue it on the front. And I loved using this tool because you can look through, so you can also see the image behind. Now I have to take a... Well, where do I have a small one? These are too small. I need a white one. And yes, I have 2 pieces. This is too small. I need a bigger one. And this one is coming over here. And I think I'm going to put some Where are these? Well, they are over here. I'm going to use some of these ones. Where's my scissors? You know, I'm making a lot of grabbish. How do you call it in English? Sometimes it's hard to find the right words. Oh, this one is not okay. Well, I do it like this way. This is too small, and I take another one. This one. Is it? No, it's not fast. So let's try to put it behind. There's my hot glue. I have to put it like there. Yes, like that. Oh, no, not so high, please. And I'm gonna take these pieces also behind. Yes. Well, and then I have at the other side, I have to use some glue because otherwise it doesn't come behind. Like that. And the smallest one, well, will it please? Can it? No, it can't. So I have to use more glue. So, like that. Well, isn't it lovely? You can use this card for, I think, everything. Marriage, a birthday. We need some pearls. And I have some pearls leftovers. I thought these are from the Janina's Mindful Art collection. Not sure. Also from Studio Light. So I love using the pearls on the back of the butterfly. And now it's finished. Well, this was my card with the Nature Lover from Studio Light. I hope you like it, and I see you on the next video. As you can see, it's nice in the inside and at the front. Bye bye.